Welcome in on this Tuesday afternoon. I'm Kristen Strakalitis. We'll begin with Tesla. The automaker celebrating the opening of its new factory near Berlin today. Tesla handing over to customers the first 30 Model Y vehicles built at the $5.5 billion factory. CEO Elon Musk said it was a great day for the plant and described it as, quote, another step in the direction of a sustainable future. Today's opening was a long time coming. Tesla originally hoped to start output 8 months ago, but local authorities in Germany delayed the project over environmental concerns. The automaker says around 3,500 of the plant's expected 12,000 workers have been hired so far. Eventually, Tesla wants to produce 500,000 vehicles from the factory annually. However, ramp-up will be slow. JP Morgan predicts that the factory will produce around 54,000 vehicles this year, increasing to 280,000 next year before hitting full capacity in 2025. We have much more on the plant's opening at AUTONEWS.com. Staying in Germany, Volkswagen is ramping up production at its main factory in Wolfsburg faster than originally planned. Output has been limited due to a lack of wire harnesses from Ukraine. However, VW says the supply situation is stabilizing despite the ongoing war. A second shift of Golf production will start as early as Wednesday, and a third shift will be brought back in the coming weeks. VW has said 2 other plants in Germany that build IDEVs will take longer to get back to normal. Turning to safety, General Motors is recalling about 740,000 vehicles in the U.S. for bright headlight reflections that may cause glare or be distracting to other drivers. The callback covers certain GMC Terrain compact crossovers from the 2010 to 2017 model years. Earlier this month, NHTSA denied a GM request that would have allowed the automaker to avoid fixing the issue. The safety regulator says certain weather conditions, such as snow or fog, could result in glare. And we'll finish with some product. Maserati showing off the Great Khal crossover. It will be available with a regular gasoline engine and 2 mild hybrid variants. A full electric version will launch in 2023. The Great Khal will arrive in European dealerships in the 3rd quarter and in the U.S. by the end of the year. The most powerful version of the CUV has a twin turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine that produces 523 horsepower. Pricing was not announced. That's our time for today. You can catch all the morning news each weekday on First Shift. We'll see you tomorrow.